Okay there, for the motor installation, it's actually a little awkward, but pretty easy done. So, you can do this alone. Pick the motor up, and set it to this pin on the bottom. And then on this other side, there is a number 3 Phillips. You can do it with a number 2, but number 3 is better. And you're just going to screw that in while holding it up with your knee, thigh. And there it is. So then I'll come to this other side in a minute. Okay, one thing I left out, and there's a little spring, a little tab, and a little point where the spring attaches to. So this is going to be, I gotta press it in place, hold it in place, get it good and aligned. Holding it up with your knee, lift. And the screw in. And down below there's a little retainer clip. I don't think you can see it. Now you can. So a little retainer clip. And you're going to get right in there. This is the retainer clip. And lock it in place. And then comes the power. So, see, it's got a nifty wiring harness. This special plug with this special plug. Plug right together. Tuck right up under there. Inside the housing. Oh, let's do it this way. There you go. Inside the housing. Let's see if we can get the belt on. By the way, this is a serpentine belt, not a V-belt. Here's the spring compress. And there it is, right inside there. On to the next step.